Text is different, the boldness and everything, so you can tell a little bit it's Android based, since the YouTube app looks like YouTube on Android and everything like that. You have a file manager application from Android and a couple of other applications like Cydia and other things, FM radio, that are used from Android. Now it looks pretty cool like the iPhone 6, and let's go ahead and look at the back of the iPhone 6 real quick. And on the back we got our rear facing camera and our microphone and speaker and everything like that. We actually have our Apple logo, which is very surprising since this is officially Apple's, trademarked, and we actually have the FCC content, as you can see right here. So this is pretty rare to see a iPhone 6 replica mock-up and with the Apple logo and everything looking just like the next iPhone. Now people are leaking the next parts of the iPhone 6, but they actually do look very similar to what this looks like. Now we have our we got our front facing camera, microphone, speaker and everything like that, and when we look down here at our home button, we actually have a fingerprint scanner and Touch ID home button just like the iPhone 5S and the new iPad Air, except it doesn't actually recognize the fingerprint, but as you can see it looks very much like the iPhone 5S one and makes the device a lot more realistic, like the iPhone 6 will be. Now the iPhone 6 will most likely release in sometime in September or October, and there's probably going to be two versions of the iPhone 6. The iPhone 6 version of 4.7 inch display, like this one is right here, and the iPhone 6 5.5 inches, which is going to be a lot taller than this is. And I'll go ahead and turn up the brightness so everybody can see better. And it will look something like this running iOS, so as you can see the icons and everything will look very, very, very similar. And let's go ahead and look at more of the toggles and everything with Control Center. So we got our toggles here that work just fine with orientation lock and everything. Now we have our automatic or auto brightness. When you go into lighter rooms, it actually lightens the device up, and you go in the darker rooms and it darkens the device. We have our sound right here that we can toggle, and I'm pretty sure our vibration, which we can toggle right here. It's a little bit laggy, so I do apologize for that. And we have our flash, as you can see, flashlight, and this enters the world clock applications. Let's just go ahead and click that plus, and we can actually add a city. As you can see, it has the Android based keyboard, but it does have the world clock UI based of iOS. So this is skinned for iOS 8, and it does look very, very nice, very, very high resolution, everything. I have taken pictures, and that has been a little bit low resolution pixels, but it does work most likely fine. As you can see here, I've taken a picture or two of the lock screen, and it looks just fine. And you can actually pop a SIM card in. As you can see on the side, we can pop a SIM card in